Everyone knows how to make compost from kitchen waste, but that method takes time, no? But today, in this video, I will show you one very powerful and fast way. First, we will make a thick, nutrient-rich liquid from kitchen waste, and then we will also use the remaining waste for composting. This way, you are getting two benefits from the same process: one quick fertilizer for immediate plant growth, and one long-term compost to improve soil health. So let's start the process together step by step. First, we need 2 containers. We are using 2 old 5-gallon buckets because they are easy to find. One bucket we will modify by making many holes in the bottom using a drill machine. These holes will help the liquid to drain out properly. The second bucket, which has no holes, will collect this liquid. This is a very simple setup, but it works wonders. Now, go to your kitchen and collect all the waste: vegetable peels, fruit skins, outer layers of peas, overripe fruits, and even tea leaves. If you have old bread, some stale rice, or even leftover chapati crumbs, you can use that too. But don't put anything oily, no meat, no dairy, because that will cause a bad smell and attract insects. Once you have collected all this, put it inside the bucket with holes. But one important thing: on top of the waste, place a heavy brick or any weight. This weight helps in pressing the waste down, making sure that more liquid is squeezed out properly. Without the weight, the process will take longer, so don't skip this step. Once this is done, cover the bucket loosely with a lid. Don't make it airtight, because some air circulation is needed for the microbial activity to happen. Now leave this set up for about 15 days. After 15 days, you will see a dark, rich, and very powerful liquid in the bottom bucket. This is your homemade liquid fertilizer, full of nutrients and beneficial microbes that will make your plants grow healthy and strong. Carefully lift the upper bucket and keep it aside. Every drop of this liquid is valuable, so don't waste it. This is a very concentrated fertilizer, so before using, we must dilute it. Take 1 liter of this liquid and mix it with 10 liters of water. Now, simply take this diluted mix and pour it around the base of your plants. Don't pour it on the leaves. Always give it to the roots. Now, what to do with the leftover material in the upper bucket? Simple. Just add it to your compost pile. It is still full of organic matter, and over time, it will decompose and give you rich, healthy compost for your garden. So, with this method, nothing is wasted. One part goes as a powerful liquid feed for plants, and the other part becomes compost for long-term soil improvement. The benefits of this method are amazing. The liquid fertilizer is packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Everything your plants need to grow fast and strong. Plus, it has beneficial microbes that improve soil quality and help plants absorb nutrients better. And the compost you get at the end will make your soil even richer, keeping your garden healthy for a long time. This method is natural, chemical-free, and completely free of cost because you are just using kitchen waste. Instead of throwing it away, you are making something powerful for your plants. So, if you like this method, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more useful gardening tips. Your support helps us bring more natural and effective solutions for your garden. See you in the next video.